Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to download GTA Vice City J Cheater on your Android device at free of cost. So as you can see, it's available on Play Store, but it's the paid version of J Cheater. So today I'm going to show you how to download it without pay. So let's start the video. सो वाई सी टी जे चीटर आपको आपके फ़ोन में डाउनलोड करने के लिए पहले आपको आपका कोई भी ब्राउज़र ओपन करना पड़ेगा. इट्स नॉट ओनली क्रोम ब्राउज़र, एनी टाइप ऑफ ब्राउज़र. आई यूज़ माई यूसी ब्राउज़र.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Then search on Google GTA Vice City J Cheater mob.org.
And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways,
And open the second link. I also mentioned this link in my description box of my video. Now the link is open, so just go and click on download button. It has very small size 1.7 MB, so it's download very fast. Now you can see the downloading is complete, so I'm going to install this app. So now I'm going to prepare the app. First open the app and click on the enable input method. Then enable JCheater and go back. Again choose input method. Now click on the start button. As you can see, the JCheater is start and it's pop up on my top of screen. And you can see it's work properly without any problem. So don't forget,
Subscribe my channel Technical Mradul and press the bell icon for the latest update.